Today, we're going to go through some easily applied spackling for minor issues that arise from cutting or routering based upon material density. So it's quite common for unfinished PVC products that when we router, cut, or manipulate the product, for an easy installation for our contractors or clients at hand, that there are some minor issues that arise in pertaining to the seams of the shaft or column trim pieces, as common with any unfinished product. So we go about taping the sides, which the tape and adhesive method prior to pinning is strongly recommended for installation, and you can see that on our installation page. Here is some commonly used spackling for touch-up, and here you can see how quick and easy it is to touch up these minor imperfections, which then are not seen upon installation once done. So it's quite easy, it doesn't take long, it's not costly at all. It is common within our industry for anything from wood, PVC, MDF, and other materials used within our industry, whether we're making trim pieces or we're making sometimes wainscoting kits or columns, and you can see this wherever you go and in any type of manufacturing process. It's quite common, and you always want to make sure that you are taking into consideration when projecting your projects 10% waste and some time to fix anything that requires to be fixed to complete your product. And of course, here at Elite Trimworks, we're always here to answer your questions and to help you go through any concerns you might have when dealing with materials such as PVC, wood, MDF, any type of building material. And it is quite easy, fast drying. I prefer to use my hands when doing. Some contractors and other people prefer to use tools, different types of methods of application. And you can also Google how to spackle, and this will give you a great idea as well on the different types of methods. But this is particularly such an easy job that it doesn't require too much thought or time or process, and it's easily dryable and cannot be seen really upon installation to anybody who's walking by. You're looking at your project. It's quite simple and industry-wide standard here. But again, we are here to answer your questions anytime here at www.elitetrimworks.com or by calling us toll free at 1-888-898-1665. Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope to collaborate with you on projects that you do and also on our social media at Elite Trimworks on Instagram, or you can find us at elitetrimworks.com via Facebook and House. And we can't wait to work with you. We hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you found this video useful, and let us know if there's anything else in particular you'd like to see us do and to help you out with your projects, and hopefully we can get that up for you as soon as possible and make sure that we're answering all your how-to questions, making it super easy and time conscious for your contractors to install our products and the do-it-yourselfer at home if you are handy or not. Our instructions are easy and everything is made so it's easily installed. Thanks so much.